Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I've got a really cool card trick for you guys, of which I'll be doing the performance and the tutorial. But before starting, I want to wish everyone a belated Merry Christmas and a very Happy New Year in advance. I hope you had a good time with your family on Christmas, and I hope you have a good time with your family on New Year as well. But with that being out of the way, let's start this card trick. This trick is known as the oil and water card trick. And there have been thousands of variations upon it by different magicians. Some require gimmicks, some don't. Some are easy, some are difficult, some are intermediate. But this one that I'm going to teach you is very, very easy. Alright, so all you need for this is 3 red cards and 3 black cards. So I put the red cards on top of the black cards. I spread it out. Hope you can see those. And now that you've seen the red and black cards, I want to actually put them on both sides. Imagine that the red cards represent oil and the black cards represent water. Red cards, black cards. So let's mix this up. Oil, water, oil, water, oil, water. Now what happens in real life if you mix oil and water? They separate, right? So just like in real life, they have separated, but this time the layer of water is on top, and the oil layer is on the bottom. Let's try this one more time, shall we? As you can see, black cards, red cards, they are all in one specific order, no mixing up. Keep it here. Water, oil, water, oil, water, oil. Snap my fingers and they have separated. So that was the performance, guys. I hope you like this card trick. If you want to learn it, make sure to stick around for the tutorial. Alright guys, welcome to the tutorial. This trick is actually very easy. No advanced sleight of hand required. There is a little sleight of hand that is required, but nothing too major, and you can learn it in say an hour or so if you keep practicing it. So for this trick, all you need is 6 cards. 3 red, 3 black. They can be any cards. They don't have to be red and black, but the oil and water storyline, I prefer to use red and black cards. You can take any of your choice. They don't have to be any specific cards, just 3 red and 3 black. Alright. So now you show the spectator that, hey, I have got 3 red cards and I've got 3 black cards. After that, you put the red on all the 3 reds on top of the black, or all the 3 blacks on top of the red, whichever you find easier. It's nothing to find easier, any order. So I put the reds on top of the black, and then you say, hey, look, I've got 3 reds and 3 blacks, oil, water. And now while you're bringing it down, you're doing one move. If you do this very fast, it looks like nothing has happened. You are actually taking one of the cards from the red pile and from the black pile and switching it up. So it is the third card. This is the third card and the third card, the 2 middle cards. So the way you do this is you put your thumb, you put your 3 fingers down here. You remember in my last video I had shown you the cull, how to do the cull, a very brief, like just a brush up. It's actually the same thing. You take your thumb on this card, you take your 3 fingers on this card and just swipe it very fast. After that you square it up and you say, okay, I've got my red and black, so I put oil, water. Don't turn up the cards because then they'll see that something's wrong. Oil, water, and then you say, what happens if you mix oil and water in real life? They separate, don't they? Well, this is going to do just the same thing. And you snap your fingers and wow, they have. And the cool thing about this is that you don't even have to change. If you want to show it to them another time, you can just say that, hey, so now we've got water on top of oil, let's do this one more time. So I'll show it to you. See, I have 3 blacks and 3 reds, nothing out of order. And then you say, okay, so let's do it all over again. Water, oil, water, oil, water, oil. You turn it up and they have separated. So So I hope you enjoyed that tutorial, guys. I hope you enjoyed the trick. And now, before leaving, I just want to tell you a quick thing from my next video. So 2021 is a new year. I just want to do something new. So I'm thinking, instead of sharing fun facts about cards, I'll just ask a random question, general knowledge, anything, at the end of the video from next week, and I'll ask you to leave the answer down in the comments. So whoever gets the correct answer will be congratulated. It'll be very nice, and I'll reveal the answer on my next video. And it'll continue. So I hope you liked this week's video, guys. Stay safe. Happy New Year. I'll see you next week. Bye.